Hello everyone, welcome to Quick Learn for Easy Learn. So in the previous video, we have told you how to do the addition of integers using number line. And what are integers, everything, introduction to integers, we already have given you in the previous video. So if you didn't go through, then please go and check it once. Today we are going to do addition of integers without number line. So let us see how we are going to do. Now let us do the addition and subtraction of integers without number line. This is the main part. In this one, first of all, you have to learn something. That is, if two digits are of plus numbers with the sign positive, what we have to do? If both the numbers are positive, we have to do plus itself. If both the numbers are positive, we have to do plus, and the sign will be of bigger one. That is plus sign. Bigger one always in bigger one only. So if both are plus, the sign will be plus itself. If both the digits are of minus sign, if negative and negative, both the number integers are of minus sign, then what will we do? Again we will do the same, plus, and the sign will be of bigger, that is minus. Both are minus, then bigger will be minus only, so minus. And if one number is plus and the other number is of minus, what will we do? We will do minus and the sign will be bigger. There we can't say that it is plus, here it's minus. Okay? And if it is one number is negative and the other one is plus, then what we will do? We will do minus again. The sign will be of bigger one. Okay? Means if both the sign are of same, plus plus, then plus, minus minus, plus. Means both are of same sign, then it will be plus addition only. And if both the sign are of different one, then we will do minus. If both the signs are plus same, both the signs are of same sign, that is plus or minus, we will do add. And if both the sign are of plus and minus, then different signs, then we will do subtraction. And the sign will be bigger one sign. Okay, so let us do some questions, you will understand it clearly. Now let us solve these questions. If a number is given as 6, so we have to consider if there is no sign is here. We have to consider always the sign which is before this one. If there is no sign, that means it is positive. And if a number is given with a number with sign as minus, then it will be minus. If any number is given after this like this, then this sign belongs to this number. That is, this minus sign belongs to 5, not belongs to 6. And if this minus is belongs to this one, means if the sign of 6 is minus 1. And if it is given like this, then the sign of 6 is plus and the sign of 5 is minus. Don't consider the afterward sign as this one. Okay, always remember the sign will be always to the left of the number, not to the right of the number. So what is the sign of 6 is it is positive, and what is sign of 5, it is negative. What is sign of 6, it is positive. If it is written like this, then the sign of 6 is negative. This you should remember. So let us consider this question. Here 11 plus 6. 11, the sign of 11 is positive, right? So positive number and 6 number 6, the left side of 6 is positive. So positive plus positive. Positive and positive, both the numbers are positive. What we have to do? Plus, add, and the sign will be of bigger number. That means 11 plus 6. We have to do both add. We have to add these numbers. That is 11 plus 6, 17. 11 and 6 is 17. And the sign will be of bigger one. That is, this is plus, both are plus, then we will put the sign as positive. If you didn't put any sign, then also it will be considered as positive only. So if you are not writing plus, then also it will be same. So 11 plus 6 is equal to 17. Let us do one more question. That is 11 plus minus 6. What is 11? 11 sign of 11 is positive. Okay. And the sign of 6 is negative. That means plus and minus. This one we have to consider. That means if one is plus and the other one is minus, what will we do? We have to do minus, subtraction. That is 11 plus minus minus. That is 11 minus 6. First of all, we have to write plus minus minus plus minus minus. So 11 minus 6, and one is positive, one is negative. We have to do subtraction. That is 11 minus 6 is 5. Now we have to do the sign. We have to put the sign. Which is bigger number? 11 and 6. Which is bigger? Digit is 11 is bigger, 6 is smaller. So we have to put the sign of plus. That is 11 sign. Plus. If you don't put any sign, then also it's okay. 5. This is same as plus 5. So if we are subtracting 11 plus positive number and a negative number, then we have to do the subtraction. That is 11 minus 6. One is positive, one is negative. We have to minus, subtract it, and the number is 5. And have to put the sign of bigger number. So sign is bigger. Now let us consider this one. Minus 11 plus 6. One number is minus and the other number is plus. One minus and plus. If one is minus and the other one is plus, that is what we have to do. We have to do subtraction. That is 11 and 6. When we do 11 minus 6, that is 5. And sign. Which sign will be? We have to put what sign? Bigger number sign. Bigger number is 11 and bigger here, smaller number is 6. So we have to consider the bigger number sign. That is minus. 11 is 11. The signature of the sign of minus 11 is minus. So we have to put the number sign as minus. So we have to one minus and a plus. We have to do minus 11 plus 6. Minus and plus we have to do minus and bigger number sign. Okay. And next let us consider this one. One is minus number and other one is also minus number. Both are minus. Both are minus means we have to do addition and put the signature of sign of bigger number. So if this is minus and minus, what will we do? If both are minus numbers, we have to do addition. 11 and 6, that is 11 plus 6, 17. Now we have to put the sign of bigger number. Bigger number, which is bigger number here? 11 is the bigger number. So 11 is the bigger number, so we have to put the sign of minus. So the answer is minus 17. So do more questions like this from the exercise, and you have to practice it more and more. First learn this table, and after that do questions, more and more questions. If you practice it more and more, it will be very easy for you, because most of the students are having difficulty in doing this type of questions. So this base should be clear in this stage. Then only it will be easy in your higher classes. Okay. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much, and please be with us for more and more videos like this. Bye.